I'm going to show you one of the ways that I style my hair, and this works really good when I don't have a lot of time to spend on my hair and I need a quick fix. My husband said we need to go in town for this or that, and I just need to do something with my hair, or maybe I don't have time to wash and curl and style my hair. So this is one quick easy way that I can fix my hair to make it look good. First of all, I like to have fullness up top because I just don't think it looks good. I'm just going to pull this back. This is not attractive, okay? That flatness doesn't look good. I like to have height right here. So I will often use little clips and I will shape my hair. Sometimes I twist it to get the shape that I want it, and I will clip the front of my hair. One clip for the top and for the side. And I need to look at my mirror. Oh, I don't like the way that looks. Okay, I have to look in my mirror to see how it looks from different angles. Sometimes I do a little bit of teasing with my teaser. Just a little bit. I don't like to do that too much. That helps to give me a little bit of fullness. Hold on. Let me just add a little bit of fullness back here. I know this probably doesn't look very good. I take my big comb and I just comb the top hairs so that I have a half decent shape. Okay, now I begin clipping. I do like to have a little bit of these hairs sticking out. This one's a little long, but it has curls, so I'll keep it. Sometimes I grab it and I'll twist it. Now, what I don't like is when it shows the pink scalp. So I need to grab something down here, and that'll help hide it. I need to make sure not to grab too much, because I like to see how my hair looks from the left, from the right, from the front, and from the back. It's important. Usually this side looks pretty good. Actually, I'm seeing it in the mirror, and it needs to be a little better. So let's take it and we'll kind of twist it a little bit. All right, that shape is good. And then I look at the front. It's a little flat right there. Okay, that's okay. All right, now the rest of it. There's a couple of ways I do this. All right, so I'm going to take, let me make sure I'm in the picture. I'm going to take the rest of my hair up, and I'm going to twist it around. And I'm going to make like a little bun. I take the end and bring it like this. And then I hold that with a couple of clips. Now this is less fancy. It's very plain. Okay, so I have a simple bun. Not the most attractive. I might run around the house like this. But if I have to go in town and I want to look a little better, okay, I want to add another clip right here because I hate it when the pink scalp shows. All right, so that shape is good. And now my secret. This is a scrunchie. I do like to comb it. I found one that's a match. It's the same color as my hair. I like to comb it every time I use it, so that looks good. And this is my cheat quick updo, and then I decide which side is the better looking side. Okay, and then we just put this around the bun, and I put a few clips to help hold it in place. Sometimes I don't need any clips to hold it in place. Prefer to have bigger clips, but I'm having a hard time finding clear clips. And then I just play with it to make sure it blends in with my bun. And see, now I have a nice updo, which is good for when you need to look good. Now, these little things right here, I need to do something. This one's too long and this one's too short. I need to even it out. So let's pull out a few hairs. Put a little bit of water. And then I do my handy dandy Sharpie trick. And I use a little larger clip and hold that in place. And I only need to leave this in for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, and these little curls will have enough curl. I'm ready to go.